What you will see when you access that drive, you will see 3 folders. I want you to open Prompt Engineer folder. In that Prompt Engineer folder, you have 2 PDF files and 1 document. Open the document and download the 2 PDF files. We will click download and download. Next, we're going to Gemini and we are going to gemini.google.com. You need to go to Gemini itself. You can also go here to these dots in your drive and then click on Gemini, and that should take you to your Gemini. Next, we will create Gemini Gem. If you click these 3 lines, you will see gems. Once you click the gem, you should see plus new gem. Once you are in gems, we create new gem. Let's name this gem Prompt Refiner. Once we named it, let's describe it. This gem refines my prompts. Now, we need to give instructions. I have prepared the instructions, but you can also say all of your instructions in here, and this little button polishes what you said. It structures what you said. For example, if I wanted to say, you are a prompt engineer, do not answer my questions, your only responsibility is to rewrite prompts that I give you, make sure to assign a role, make sure to put more context, and if you have questions, you need to ask me. Also, make sure to include the format, the output format in there. Once I explain it, I can click this button and it polishes it in a better structure. You see how it polished it? But I have a prepared version of it with Tada framework, so you can copy the whole thing and you paste those instructions in there. That's it. That's all you need to do. Now we can save it, but before we save it, we can test it. Remember, when you test, it does not remember anything. Do not start talking here. Do not start chatting here. This is only the test. Let me test this. I want you to give me research about zebras. It should actually respond with the research, but it does not respond with the research. What it did, it created a role, objective, scope, and so on. So test works. Now we save. Once we save, we can start chat or we can share it with our team.